Dear viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Shami Academy. How can you multiply these kinds of data? If you use direct multiplication, the result shows your. You can also do this manually, but it is very much time consuming. Instead of you can follow these tricks, write percentage, then 240 multiply by 10, then control plus E, press control plus H on keyboard, percentage write in find what and write equal in replace with, then replace all, then press OK and close the find and replace box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much for your watching.